Um, Hi, welcome to my channel. I've never filmed a video before. This is the first time. If you're seeing this video, then that means you've probably already seen my sister's video, which is very similar to this one. I literally didn't get ready. I kind of woke up, I ran a brush through my hair so I can show you guys what I was able to get. I got 2 records from the August 29th Record Store Day drop for 2020, and I only have one of them with me now because I was able to pick it up at my local record store. It's gonna be shipped to me, so I'll tell you more about that in a little bit. But first, before I show you the vinyl, I'm going to show you my local record store gave us some extras for purchasing on record store day. A plastic bag with my name on it. Cute. Okay, so first I got this record store day poster. I guess this is the official beer for record store day. Denzel Curry face mask. It matches my hair, so I think this is really cute. So my sister and I, before August 29th even came, which was yesterday, we were talking about this vinyl because we were both looking for it before it was announced that it was going to be released on record store day for the first time. Yeah, there was never a pressing of this vinyl, but it's an album that we both love. She's more of a stan of this person than I am. I'm a local, but this album, I feel like I have an emotional connection with this album, which is why I really wanted it, because when I first got into vinyl, that's when this album had come out, maybe like a few months after it, or after I'd gotten into vinyl. And I really liked this album and I wanted to see if it was on vinyl. So my sister actually told me that there's going to be a pressing of this vinyl on record store day. Most people were saying their record store picked up like 3 or 4 of them. I think our record store picked up 2 of them because she bought hers first and she was like, I got it, and I was still buying mine. And I told her I got mine and she refreshed, and right when I told her I got mine, it was sold out. So I think we were the only 2. I don't know. But if you haven't guessed it by now, sorry for the long intro, but if you haven't guessed it by now, here it is in all of its glory. We have the My Dear Melancholy record store day exclusive vinyl. I was really hesitant on opening it. This is a collector's piece. Here's the back. I'm pretty sure most of you have heard the song Call Out My Name. So here's the gatefold. There's himself. It's for the songs. And if I am correct, there is an etching on one of the sides. Vinyl comes out through here. Here is the vinyl sleeve. I can't tell if this is gray or if this is clear. I like a clear and like the black is just doing something to it. But there's the sticker. There were only 3,000 of these made, and I just feel so blessed to have one of the first pressings from, yeah. This is a really nice sleeve, by the way. Like, it feels heavy, just plain black, which is kind of disappointing. It was hyped up to be a true collector's piece. The etching, I'm trying to show you. Okay, so like this is his eye, his nose, this is his like cheek, and that's his forehead, but let's cover. Let me just tell you what my favorite songs are. Try Me and Hurt You are my top 2 on this, of course. The other vinyl I have coming in is the Billie Eilish live vinyl. Now I'm going to insert a clip of one of the songs playing. Thank you for watching my first video. I'm an amateur. I didn't get myself together. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed.